indicators, volumes, and then volumes. Okay, so insert indicators, scroll down to volume, then select volume, and then you're going to see down here on the bottom, whoops, you'll see down here on the bottom that the volume will show up. Okay, that's how you get it on MetaTrader. I'm not sure what you mean by the bands though. Finally, I think I understand buying on the bullish trends, how to play stops and profit-taking limits, the mechanical part. I don't think I understand how to make money in the bearish moves. Where do I go to get it? I don't know. I would suggest just keep listening to the course because the pattern is going to remain the same. For example, last night when I talked about selling, going short up here, that was a bearish move. You're looking, so if you have a bullish, if you have the market moving up and you have a pennant pattern on the upside, on the downside, it's just going to look like that. Or if it's a flag to the upside, it's going to look like this to the downside. Okay, you're just simply reversing it. Let me see if I can find what I mean. This was just an overall triangle pattern. Here we go. There's a pennant. Okay, pointing to the downside. So if it breaks out to the downside, you look to take a trade. And you can see down here our confirmation tactic really kept us out of getting in trouble down there. When I do go live, I'll likely put 7,000 to 9,000 as the bank. Use your system on amounts to put at risk. Any special words of wisdom given this as some background? Not really. Stick with the plan. That's always the special words of wisdom. Keep your risk small. That would be anybody who's going to trade live would be to keep your risk small. That's going to be your key to a long and lustrous trading career. Okay, next question has to do with interbank possibly stealing stops. Let me read it to you because this is exactly what market makers will do in order to move the market. He says during that 1 minute, interbank had a spike down from 215 to 99.78 for a total difference of 37 pips. This is at 7:50 GMT. Okay, so this is at 7 o'clock London time, which is 1 o'clock Eastern time, outside of the sweet spot. This spike down on the 1 minute bar stands out on the chart as the largest number of pips on a 1 minute bar I can find in the last several hours. That's a really poorly worded sentence. Okay, so the biggest 1 minute bar prior to that was 10 pips. Please check the platforms you use and let me know if this was real. Of course it was real. They filled you there. When I called them, I was told that there was a cascade of sells, which he read off, and this is how their liquidity provider responded. Absolutely. Because their liquidity provider is their trading desk. So if their trading desk if they see that if the trading desk is looking at the market, and the market is here at 2003, we'll say, and they see that there are a bunch of sell orders down here, they're going to do everything in their power to move price down. Boom, trigger the sell orders, bang, 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 there's your spike. Okay? That's just how they do it. That's why I don't like dealing desks. Okay? Interbank FX is fine to start out, but once that crap starts happening to you, you've got to move brokers. Look at the video I did on broker scams. This is in part a big reason why I want to keep my name off of the course, because if a broker is screwing people over, I'm going to tell you about it. And every broker that I know of that has a dealing desk at one point or the other will do it. That's how they make money. They are in the business of making money, not making you money. Okay, you just have to remember that. Okay, I almost cut this question out, but I think it's valuable. This person